Dr. Spinner. Everybody having a good time today?
Woo!
Let me hear you. I can't hear you. Everybody having a good time today?
Yeah!
Well, I have a program called the Bully Awareness Network for an anti-bullying program, and I have Miss. Everybody say yay for Miss California.
Yay!
Are you kids out there enjoying all the cars? Let me hear you.
Woo!
What do we say to bullying? What do we say to bullying?
What do we say?
All right. Well, Miss California is going to tell you what she thinks about bullying.